Alright, I'm out in no man's land by the airport. There's an airport. Finally trying Zed's restaurant. Zed's restaurant since 1967. I'm out and about on a live stream. And we're gonna finally have our lunch date here. Let's see how busy it is. I hope there's not loud music. Then I'm screwed. All right, check it out. Could be wrong. All right, I'm finally in Zed's restaurant by the airport. Look at this pork souvlaki. It doesn't even fit on the tray. It's a huge portion. Holy moly. On a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. Holy friggin' moly. Look at this. A piece on its own. Alright. And even bun. I'll save the bun. I'm not gonna, if I eat the bun, there goes my appetite, right? Like I just can't finish it all. Okay, let's dig in. They are generous, amazing. The tzatziki. Look at the tzatziki. Tzatziki, very generous. Okay. I wonder what time they start making all the food. They must be up very early to make everything. All right. Look how meaty it is. The rice is oozing off the plate. I gotta push it in. Okay, let's see. Look. Pretty chunky. The mall, like, I have done a lot in the mall, like the pork souvlaki. They're smaller pieces, and it's about $14, but this is so pretty thick. Tzatziki sauce. Look at that. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Very tender. Moist. Really tender. Wow. Very good. Very, very good. Whoa. There you go. Take your bite. Let's try the rice. Take your bite. Yum. I'm getting full already. Just that one bite. Let's try the potato. Put some tzatziki on the potato. There you go. Take a bite. Amazing. All these on a Sunday. These are regulars. I mean, people that drive come out here. This meal is good for 2 people, maybe even 3. Mother with sauce, the best. Wow. I don't know what to do. That's Restaurant on Airport Road. You have to come. Yeah, my first time here, so I'm just so excited and happy to be here and trying their Souvlaki dinner. Amazing. Huge portion. Take your bite. And they even give you dinner roll or bread to go with this. It's amazing. Check out their website. So it's ZET_S Restaurant Airport Road. They're on Instagram. That's how I learned of them. So this is a must place to check out when you're in Toronto. It's worth coming up here for the day, and then you can go plane spotting. That's what I'm doing. Here it comes. Take your bite.